For over 30 years, Super Therm has been proven to block 95% of heat entering a building or a structure. This saves you money in electricity bills. We'll show you how. Hi, I'm Shane Strubwick from Neotech Coatings. We're here in Adelaide, South Australia doing a simple insulation coatings test on our flagship product Super Therm that's used globally. It's 32 degrees, so let's get into it. Super Therm acts as an insulation shield and can protect you in many ways with one high performance coating. On this Super Therm insulation test today, we have 4 sheets of 0.6 Galv, 300mm by 300mm. We intend to coat 3 of them with Super Therm and keep the other unaffected as a control sheet. Super Therm comes in a pail of 5 gallons or 18.9 litres. It is critical when you mix Super Therm you do it thoroughly for at least 5 minutes. This will circulate the ceramics which have fallen to the bottom of the pail and ensures you get an even ceramic distribution through the entire coat. It is also critical you do not dilute Super Therm with water or any other thinners, as it will affect the integrity of the insulation coating formula and will also reduce the effectiveness of its insulation and reflective properties. If applying Super Therm with a brush or roller, it will require 2 coats to achieve the 250 dry mil thickness. If you're using an Ellis sprayer for larger surfaces, please see our website neotechcoatings.com and search Super Therm application for application instructions. When applying Super Therm, apply it at 425 microns wet and it dries down to 250 microns, equivalent to the thickness of a business card. If applying a light or medium coloured paint over the top of Super Therm, we always recommend a second coat application. This will improve the emissivity of the coating and increase the efficiency in preventing heat getting through the substrate. It is important that the coating is a minimum of 250ml dry. Super Therm is very safe for our environment and can wash out in water. It has very low volatile organic compounds. Super Therm can be tinted to light colours, however it does affect the efficiency of the insulation coating formula. We do not recommend applying dark paint over Super Therm as it blocks the throw off of the radiation heat and blocks the emissivity from leaving the surface. We recommend using HSC if using dark colours. Allow 21 days for Super Therm to completely cure. For our thermo imaging test today, it's 35 degrees centigrade in Adelaide. We have a FLIR E30 thermo imaging camera and we are taking temperature recordings for both the top side and the underside. Sheet number 1 is the untouched control sheet, which has a temperature reading of 40.4 degrees on top and 41.2 degrees underneath, which is a temperature increase of 0.8 centigrade. Sheet 2 has 1 coat of Super Therm and reading 42.6 degrees on top and 37.5 underneath, which is a decrease of 5.1 degrees centigrade or 12%. Sheet 3 has 1 coat of Super Therm and 1 coat of grey and has a temperature reading of 55.4 degrees on top and underneath 44.8 degrees, which is a 10 degree drop in temperature or a 19% improvement. And finally we have sheet number 4, which has 2 coats of Super Therm and 1 coat of grey. It's 56 degrees on top and the underside is 42.8 degrees, which is a 13 degree difference or an incredible 23% reduction in temperature. 1 pail of Super Therm covers approximately 45 square metres and gives you 95% solar heat block. It is a high performance insulation solution for all sorts of structures. A single coat of high performance Super Therm blocks up to 95% of heat from entering the structure caused by infrared light, ultraviolet light and visual light, leaving only ambient temperature. As tested by the US Department of Energy, Super Therm saves between 20 to 50% on energy consumption as your air conditioner runs far more efficiently. In many cases you'll get a return on your investment within 3 years or less from the application. Visit neotechcoatings.com for more information including worldwide tests and worldwide case studies. Contact us to have Super Therm applied on your structure today.